Hi friends, this video contains the third part of the oscillation. In this video, we see the next article of the oscillation, which is total energy of a particle performing linear SHM. Total energy means sum of the kinetic energy and potential energy. So this is the path of the linear SHM. We call as a POQ. Q is point Q is the positive extreme position. Point O is on mean position and point P is at negative extreme position. At mean position x is equal to 0. At right side extreme position x is equal to plus A, and another left side x is equal to minus A. So out of this total energy, we first the derivation of kinetic energy. It is a simple derivation of the kinetic energy. So first we see the kinetic energy. We know that the general formula for kinetic energy is 1 half mv square. Kinetic energy is equal to 1 half mv square. But we already see in the previous article the velocity of a particle performing linear SHM. Phi is equal to plus minus omega square root of a square minus x square. By squaring the formula, phi square is equal to omega square in bracket a square minus x square, square root on both sides of this formula, and using the value of v square in this equation. So formula for kinetic energy is 1 half m omega square in bracket a square minus x square. So this is a simple derivation of kinetic energy of a particle performing linear SHM. So in the next part, we have to see this kinetic energy we at mean position and kinetic energy at extreme position. Put these value by using these values. X is equal to, by using the x is equal to 0 and x is equal to plus minus a in this equation, and getting the kinetic energy at mean position and at extreme position. So we call it as equation first. So therefore here at mean position, at mean position particle is at already mean position, it cannot cover the displacement, so therefore x is equal to 0. From equation 1, using these values in equation 1, we get kinetic energy is equal to 1 half m omega square in bracket a square minus x is equal to 0. So therefore 1 half m omega square a square, this is the kinetic energy at mean position. So therefore we can write kinetic energy is equal to 1 half m omega square a square at the mean position, which is the maximum value of kinetic energy. We already see the velocity at mean position. Velocity is also maximum at mean position because the particle starts from mean position. At particle starts, so therefore velocity is maximum, and it will be goes on increasing if particle moves from mean position to extreme position. At extreme position, value of velocity becomes 0, so therefore kinetic energy is also 0. We see in the next part at extreme position. X is equal to plus minus a. So x is equal to plus minus a. Using these values in equation first, we get kinetic energy is equal to 1 half m omega square in bracket a square minus x is equal to put a plus a square minus a bracket square. So this is also plus a square. So therefore this is equal to a square. A square minus a square, it becomes 0. This is equal to 0. It means that kinetic energy is zero at any extreme position, right side or left side. So this is the total expression of kinetic energy. In the next part, we see the expression for potential energy. And by getting the expression for potential energy, the expression for kinetic energy and expression of potential energy, by adding these two equations, we get automatically the total energy. And this is the article of the this oscillation chapter, main article of this oscillation chapter, energy of a particle performing linear SHM. In next part, we see the potential energy of a particle